You cannot even imagine this scooter abandoned on the roadside is actually the ancestor of all modern scooters. The Vespa scooter became widely popular after appearing in the movie Roman Polity. See who decided to restore this Vespa after bringing it home. He began disassembling every part piece by piece. Vespa is a scooter brand produced by the Italian company Piaggio. It's known for its stylish look, refined craftsmanship, and durability. In 1960 and 70, Vespa scooters were extremely popular in Europe and were quickly embraced worldwide. Vespa motorcycles are known for their high-quality design and in general they are easy to ride on city streets and offer great riding experiences. After dismantling the scooter, each part was thoroughly cleaned to remove surface rust and dirt. Then the engine work began. The scooter frame and wheels are directly connected, so the connecting parts and outer shell were also taken apart. A steel plate was cut to repair and weld the damaged engine casing. The service oil was scraped off and cleaned thoroughly. After that, it was painted. Finally, cleaning process has been completed. The engine was reassembled. A final layer of black paint was applied to the exterior. Then came the assembly stage, reinstalling all restored components. With the last part reinstalled, the vintage scooter was officially restored. Here what it looks like after the full restoration. Quite a dramatic difference from before, right? What do you think? Feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.